Every food you eat is built from chemical elements. Let's discover what makes up carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. Carbohydrates contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. These three elements bond together to form sugars like glucose. Sugars come in three sizes: monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides, from single units to long chains. Lipids also contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but with much more hydrogen and less oxygen than carbohydrates. Proteins add nitrogen and sometimes sulfur. These five elements combine to build every protein in your body. Remember, carbs and lipids share C, H, O. Proteins add nitrogen and sulfur. These are your food's building blocks. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.